Rolando Romero is a Cuban-American professional boxer and two-division world champion. He is the current WBA welterweight champion and previously held the WBA super lightweight title and the WBA interim lightweight title. Romero was born and raised in Las Vegas, Nevada, a tough downtown area marked by violence. He has Cuban heritage through his father, Rolando Romero Sr., the three-time Cuban national amateur boxing champion who escaped Cuba. Sparring session at Floyd Mayweather gym impressed Manny Mayweather, who signed him professionally in late 2016. Romero has spoken about how a trip to Cuba deepened his gratitude and motivation and poverty he witnessed there. He is known for his orthodox stance, power, and aggressive, sometimes polarizing style involving roughhouse tactics. He has fought primarily in the Las Vegas area and is scheduled to defend his welterweight title against Teofimo Lopez in August 2026. On August 2025, Romero was elevated to full champion after Jaron Ennis vacated his super version of the title. Romero is scheduled to make the first defenses of his WBA welterweight title against Teofimo Lopez on August 2026 at T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. Born in United States, Romero of Cuban descent, his father Rolando Romero Sr. was a boxer in Cuba and won the national title there 3 times. On March 30, 2024 at T-Mobile Arena at the Las Vegas, Romero was scheduled to make the first defense WC's WBA light welterweight title against Isaac Cruz. On February 8, 2020, it was reported that Romero would move up to light welterweight to challenge the WBA champion Alberto Puello.